Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, and yeah, it is pretty warm today here in the UK. But nevertheless, I'm creating this video today because I want to show you guys a brand new working method in 2024 on how to get free Amazon gift card codes. This is a legit working method. I spent hours finding it, so I thought I'd finally create a tutorial and show you how to do it. This is a brand new rewards website, guys, that when you follow the instructions that I'm going to show you in this tutorial, you're going to be able to select a free Amazon gift card code worth, I believe it's $100. So you need to basically go to your internet mobile phone and go to www.sellhero.xyz. So CELLHERO.xyz. This is a rewards website, guys, and as you can see, this is the page that you're going to see once you go to the website. It says redeem your reward, receive a reward by completing quick, easy and fun tasks, and then there is a 3-step guide on how to get your reward. So it says click the button below to see your tasks and follow the instructions and complete 2 of them. And then you can go ahead and choose redeem your reward. So basically, guys, when you click this button, you're going to see a list of tasks and you need to basically complete 2 of them. They're all completely free and it will take you about 5 to 10 minutes depending which tasks you choose. I'm going to basically just skip that step just to speed up the video, but you're going to then be redirected to this rewards website once you complete 2 of those tasks. And this is the website where you can basically select your reward. You can get anything on this website here. So you can basically go to the search bar and search for what you want. In this case, you want an Amazon gift card. So I'm just going to type in Amazon and it should pop up this page here, guys. And now you have to select which reward you want, and it is a $150 free Amazon gift card code. So I actually thought it was 100, so that's awesome. So basically, guys, if you want that one, you would click on this, and if you completed 2 tasks, this will be fully unlocked. Obviously, I skipped to that step, so it is still protected. But yeah, that is how you can get a free Amazon gift card code. You just need to basically go to sellhero.xyz and follow these steps here. Fully complete 2 tasks. Make sure you do complete them, guys, because as you saw, if you don't, your code won't actually be valid. So yeah, enjoy, guys. Any questions, feel free to drop that in the comment section down below. Smash that like button, and I'll see you next time.